So private placements, generally speaking, kind of the traditional way of thinking about it is that they're sold to accredited investors. And these are the quote unquote rich people that the SEC, which the threshold is, if you make $200,000 or more as an individual, or if you're a married couple, together you make $300,000 or more. And the threshold, I believe right now is, or you have $1 million or more net worth, excluding the value of your primary residence. So they got into trouble because real estate spiked. So a lot of people, if they included their residents, were suddenly accredited investors, and that did not end well. All right. But typically that's the definition of individuals as accredited investors. So those are usually the people who are the focus of these types of things. The policy thought is you could afford to take the loss. Now, $200,000 a year is not rich, and if you take a loss of it could hurt bad, but that's the floor, if you would. Now, private placements can be sold to unaccredited investors, normal mom and pops, but you need to be careful, and there are some very strict rules about that. And typically there are limits on the number of unaccredited investors you can have in a placement, and the information that you have to give them is significantly more than if you were to limit it only to accredited investors. So it's if you let an unaccredited investor into your offering, your potential for liability goes up significantly. So if you're a business and you're raising money, you have to be careful. You have to comply.